Good morning, everybody. My name is Vrushank Mistry. I am building automation system field engineer from Air Systems Incorporation, San Jose, California. Today we dwell into critical examination of the environmental implications of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. In the era where climate change looms are large, understanding the ecological footprint of HVAC operations is more important than ever. Today, we will explore the transformative potential of advanced automation technologies in mitigating these environmental impacts. By harnessing the power of automation, we can significantly enhance the energy efficiency of HVAC systems, thereby reducing the carbon footprint. The ultimate aim of our study is to align HVAC practices with our broader environmental sustainability goals. Through this endeavor, we seek to pave the way for a more sustainable, energy efficient future in HVAC industry, providing practical insight and strategies that harmonize with our planet's ecological needs. Together, we can foster an HVAC landscape that not only serves our comfort but also respects and preserves our environment for future generation. Introduction. HVAC systems, the backbone of our modern comfort, present significant environmental challenges that demands our immediate attention. These systems are pivotal in shaping our energy consumption patterns, managing refrigerants, and influencing greenhouse gas emissions. Our presentation today cuts the heart of these issues, highlighting the urgent need to scrutinize and enhance the ecological footprint of HVAC operations amidst the pressing realities of global climate change. The silver lining, however, lies in the realm of automation technologies. These innovations emerge as beacons of hope, promising to significantly curb the environmental impacts of HVAC systems and propel us towards a sustainable future. Our research is not just an academic exercise, it is strategic exploration aimed at unveiling the intricate environmental dynamic of HVAC systems and positioning automation as a key driver for sustainable and responsible practices. We call upon industry stakeholders to rise to the occasion to recognize and tackle the environmental challenges posed by HVAC systems head on, advocating for a paradigm shift towards sustainability through cutting edge solutions. Today, this presentation is more than a scholarly endeavor. It is a clarion call for transformative action in the HVAC industry, urging us to embrace innovation and sustainability in equal measures. Environmental impacts of HVAC system. Our exploration takes us into the heart of energy dynamics within the built environment, where HVAC system stands as a major energy consumer. These systems significantly shape the overall energy landscapes of buildings, spotlighting the critical need of energy efficient solution. By impacting such solution, we not only aim to cut down the operational cost but also strive to minimize the environmental footprint of these systems. Turning our attention to greenhouse gas emissions, it becomes evident that HVAC operations are not just energy intensive but also contribute markedly to global warming. Our analysis seeks that unravel the types and quantities of gases emitted directly trying HVAC practices to broader challenges of climate change. In doing so, we underscore the imperative for sustainable operation and strategies that align with global efforts to combat climate change. Moreover, the environmental narrative of HVAC systems extend to the realm of refrigerant, pivotal in both ozone depletion and global warming potential. We dwell into the historical and current usage pattern of these refrigerants, underlining the urgency of transitioning to environmentally friendly alternatives, such as safety is paramount in mitigating the adverse ecological effects and fostering a more sustainable future. Though our study Through our study, we will illuminate the path towards responsible HVAC practices, advocating for holistic approach that balances operational efficiency and environmental integrity. The role of automation in HVAC systems. Here we encounter the transformative power of HVAC automation. This innovative approach integrates advanced technologies with traditional HVAC systems to streamline and optimize their operations. By embedding sophisticated technologies into various components, HVAC automation significantly enhances system performance and efficiency, marking a pivotal shift in how we manage our indoor environments. At the core of optimizing HVAC operations lies the drive for energy efficiency. Automation leverages the capability for real-time monitoring, predictive analytics, and adaptive control system to create a dynamic and responsive HVAC environment. This not only results in substantial energy savings but also play a crucial role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Through strategic load management, ventilation adjustment, and intelligent control algorithms, automation ensures that the HVAC system operate at a peak efficiency while minimizing their environmental impact. Moreover, HVAC automation is a staunch ally in the pursuit of sustainable practices. It aligns seamlessly with energy conservation goals, serving as a cornerstone for reducing operational cost and environmental footprint. By optimizing energy use and improving system longevity, automation supports the sustainable evolution of HVAC practices, ensuring they contribute positively to our environmental objectives. In this light, HVAC automation is not merely a technological advancement, it is a strategic enabler of a long-term operational viability and environmental stewardship in the HVAC industry. Benefits of automation in HVACs. The journey towards sustainability is significantly bolstered by the stride we make in energy efficiency through HVAC system. This realm of innovation opened the door to substantial energy savings by incorporating smart control and system optimization strategies. Technologies such as programmable thermostat, occupancy sensor, and energy management systems stand at the forefront of this transformation. These tools adjust the settings in real time, ensuring that the energy use is not just minimized but also optimized to deliver peak efficiency, thereby reducing the operational footprint of HVAC system. But the benefits of automation extend beyond the energy savings. They play a pivotal role in reducing greenhouse emissions, aligning HVAC operation with the urgent global call for environmental stewardship. By optimizing energy consumption and enhancing system efficiency, automation strategies contribute significantly to lowering the carbon footprint of HVAC system. Intelligent control and predictive maintenance are key components in this process, ensuring that the systems operate at their most effective levels. These not only minimize the energy waste but also curtails associated carbon emissions, thereby mitigating the environmental impact of HVAC operations. Through these advancements, HVAC automation emerges as a crucial ally in our collective endeavor to foster a more sustainable and environmentally conscious future. Case study: EcoSmart Office. Let me introduce you to the EcoSmart Office building, a paragon of sustainability in modern age. This building is not just a structure, it's a commitment to an environmentally conscious future, designed with utmost priority and energy efficiency and minimum environmental impact. Through the integration of advanced material and design principles, the EcoSmart Office building stands as a testament to what is possible in sustainable buildings operations, significantly minimizing energy consumption and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. At the heart of this commitment in the building's HVAC system, a beacon of innovation and efficiency, equipped with state-of-art technology This system optimizes indoor air quality, thermal comfort, all while conserving energy. The HVAC features in the EcoSmart office buildings are showcase of environmental stewardship, including energy efficient heating and cooling system, high performance ventilation, and use of renewable energy source to power operations. These elements collectively ensure that the building not only provides a comfortable and a healthy environment for its occupants but also contribute to a sustainable and eco-friendly future. Challenges and barriers. While the journey towards integrating automation in HVAC system with buildings like EcoSmart Office is promising, it is not without its challenges and barriers. From a technical perspective, the complexity of integrating automation with existing HVAC infrastructure cannot be understood. This often required significant customization and retrofitting, along a need of advanced technical expertise to manage and maintain this sophisticated system, ensuring their reliability and optimal performance. Economically, the initial investment cost for installing automation technology and upgrading system can be steep. There is a delicate balance to be struck between a long-term energy saving and a upfront capital expenditure. Financial planning becomes crucial in navigating these waters, as a stakeholder must be convinced for a long-term benefit to justify the initial outlay. Furthermore, on the organizational front, we encounter resistance to change. Aligning stakeholders with the adoption of a new technology presents a significant challenge. This is compounded by a necessity of extensive training and development program, ensuring that the staff are equipped with the skills required to effectively operate and manage this automated system. Overcoming these barriers requires a strategic approach, one that addressed both the technical and human elements of this transition, paving the way for a more sustainable and efficient future. Conclusion. As we reflect on the journey of integrating automation in HVAC system, it is clear that this innovation marks a pivotal stride towards enhancing energy efficiency and operational effectiveness. The EcoSmart office building stands as a testament to this progress, showcasing the profound impact of automation on sustainability in the built environment. Through the implication of smart controls, predictive maintenance, and adaptive system, automation significantly curtails energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions, steering HVAC operations towards our sustainability objective. Yes, we must acknowledge the hurdles in our path, including the technical and economical challenges like integration complexities and high initial investment costs. Despite these obstacles, the long-term advantage of improved efficiency and a smaller environmental footprint presents a compelling case for automation in HVAC system. Our strategic approach to adoption is a key. By addressing organizational resistance and prioritize training, we can assure that automation technologies not only enhances HVAC performance but also champion a sustainable and environmentally responsible future. This path is not just about technological upgrade but is a holistic move towards a more sustainable world, underlining the critical role of a strategic planning and execution in achieving our environmental and operational goals. Here are some references. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.